If they'd had stuff like this, and I would have started my engineering career at 12 or 13, and I would have better skills sooner if I'd had opportunities like these. So I want you to take advantage of that, okay? And I want you to have gratitude for that. Gratitude for the people who are mentoring you, gratitude in general for the opportunities that you have. We need problem solvers, okay? We need to solve problems in different ways. We need to be solving problems in new and creative ways, and one of those ways is with robots. We're using 6-axis industrial arm robots to solve manufacturing problems.
Idaho is currently the first VEX Robotics company for 2019, sponsored by